About this item: MillSO USB to 3.5mm jack audio adapter, ideal to connect a TRRS 4-pole CTIA 3.5mm headset, TRRS mic, or speaker to PC via USB interface. One combo interface supports stereo sound listening and speaking, dual functions. Easily add a 3.5mm TRRS auxiliary port for your devices, or use it as a replacement for a failed 3.5mm to USB audio adapter. Unidirectional audio transmission: this USB port is output, not input. Audio can only transfer from USB port to 3.5mm port. Compatibility: this USB to auxiliary adapter fits various platforms and systems: Windows 10/8.1/8/7/Vista/XP, OS X, Linux, Google Chromebook, Windows Surface 3 Pro, Raspberry Pi, etc. Convert USB port of PC, laptop, desktop, PS4, to a TRRS 4-pin audio jack, for connecting 3.5mm headset or speakers. Not compatible for iOS standard headphones, TV, amplifier, car, PS3. Driver free, plug and play, easy to set up, no driver required, just plug and play. USB bus powered, no external power required.